Welcome to this short video just explaining roughly how to trade cryptocurrencies. Now, trading cryptocurrencies is controversial at the moment. Some people are really for cryptocurrency, some people are really against them. And the point I want to make in this video is whether you're for them or against them, cryptocurrencies can be bought and sold in a very similar way to the way that currencies are bought and sold. You have a sell and a buy option. You can set your stop and your take profits, and they are liable to fundamental news releases and technical analysis in order to define and limit your risk. So as a result, cryptocurrencies can easily be traded. So the way to trade them is, first of all, you need to become familiar with the trading cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies. In a similar way, you have Ripple, and you also have Litecoin, amongst a number of cryptocurrencies that are available. There's a whole range of them, so you need to become familiar with them. But they're some of the largest cryptocurrencies that they are. And then you need to start following along the fundamental news. So, for example, this is an article that my colleague wrote, Greg, who I'm a freelance currency analyst at forexlive.com, and Greg wrote an article here on the 25th of September about there was a critical code failure found in Bitcoin, which essentially meant that more than the so-called maximum 21 million Bitcoins could be printed. And as a result of that, it meant that the whole, structure around Bitcoin was under question. And so Bitcoin quickly sold off when that news became apparent. So, if you were following cryptocurrencies, you could have seen, okay, that news is coming out Tuesday, 25th of September. Go to your Bitcoin chart, we open it up and we just scroll across the 25th of September. And here we see that this was as that news broke on the 25th of September. Here it is, and you can see that cryptocurrencies were sold down. And if you were, watching the charts at the time or there at your desk, you could have sold with a stop above the 200 and 100 moving average, a real sensible place to define and limit your risk. And again, when price tested the 100 and 200 moving average again, you would have another opportunity to have gone short for a very small risk and a potentially good reward. In the end, the trade didn't work out very good, but you get the idea. So that's the sort of things you need to do to trade cryptocurrencies. You need to be aware of them, so familiarize yourself with the most popular cryptocurrencies, and then you follow along the fundamental news, and then use the typical technical analysis in order to analyze them. So here's Litecoin, and you can see, as I just pull up this chart, so I use this free software program to show the access to the different markets, and you can see there, like the way that the moving averages are respected. It's a very similar technical analysis to currencies. Again, price just sort of bouncing between the 100 moving average, 200 moving average, just sort of in that little range there. So this is the same fundamental principles that you use for trading cryptocurrencies as you would do for currencies. So I hope that just helps demystify the trading of cryptocurrencies. And regardless of what you think about them, you can trade them. Okay, guys, thanks for listening. Bye now.